Have you ever wondered how some people manage to study, exercise, follow routines, and still find time to read or work on their goals? It often feels like they have more than 24 hours in a day, but the truth is, they don't. They've just learned how to manage their time smartly and stay productive in a way that actually works. In this video, we'll go over simple and practical strategies that anyone can use to make time for everything and get more done every day. 1. Stop trying to be perfect. One big reason people feel they have no time is because they wait to do things perfectly. They delay starting because they want the right mood, full energy, or enough time. This causes unnecessary delay and wasted time. Instead, start even when things are not perfect. Doing a task imperfectly but on time is better than waiting and doing nothing. Starting early, even with low energy, creates momentum and makes the task easier as you go. 2. Decide priorities first. Most people feel they have no time because they treat every task as equally important. When everything feels urgent, the mind gets confused and time is wasted deciding what to do next. Start by choosing 2 to 3 important tasks for the day. These are the tasks that move your studies or life forward the most. Finish them first when your energy is highest. Less important tasks can wait. For example, cleaning your room or replying to messages is necessary, but it can wait until your main study task is done. 3. Plan your day in advance. Planning your day before it starts saves a lot of time and mental energy. When you wake up without a plan, you spend the day thinking about what to do next, and this confusion leads to distraction and wasted time. Many people make the mistake of creating a strict timetable with exact hours. When something doesn't go as planned, they feel stressed and stop following the plan completely. Instead, plan in a simple way. At night, write down the task names you need to complete the next day and arrange them by importance. This keeps your plan flexible and realistic. 4. Reduce phone distractions. Most people don't realize how much time the phone actually takes. Even a small notification breaks focus, and your mind takes time to return to work. Because of this, study time becomes longer but less effective. You don't need to stop using your phone completely. The real problem is using it during important work. Keeping the phone away while studying helps your brain stay focused for longer and finish work faster. 5. Group similar tasks together. Many people feel tired even after doing small work. This happens because they keep switching between tasks again and again, which wastes mental energy. When you do similar tasks together, your mind stays in one mode. This reduces confusion and helps you complete work smoothly instead of feeling scattered. For example, finish all study-related work first, then check messages and social media later. These were some practical tips you can actually use. You don't need to change everything at once. Start with just one tip and slowly build from there. Managing time is not about doing more, it's about doing what matters. If you feel overwhelmed, remember this. Small changes done daily create big results over time. Give yourself time and stay consistent. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps.